So I'm gonna show you what you need and how to remove the clock spring on an Audi S5. It's pretty simple. You need a 30mm hex key, and what you need that for, it's gonna remove, where's it at? These two, there's one on each side. You remove those, the airbag comes out, and then behind it, you have to unplug this and this, which are hooked up to that and here. And then, what is this? You need an M12, and then a 13mm socket could go behind this. You stick it in there, and it turns. Obviously not that easy. And once you get it to turn, comes out, shake the steering wheel, and it comes right out. And there's your clock spring. And to remove this plastic around, the pop pops up. There's two screws here, and one on the bottom. And that's really all there is to it. I couldn't see any videos on the S5, so this is it. Pretty simple. Took about 30 minutes.